Class, we have a new student here. What's your name?
My name is Showhog.
Showhog, what does your father do?
Whatever my mom say.
Let's review some tenses. I am handsome. What tense is that?
It's obviously past tense.
What's the difference between a teacher and a train?
What, sir?
A train says choo choo. A teacher says spit out that gum. Hello?
Hello? Showhog needs to leave the school now.
And what relation do you have to Showhog?
This is my father speaking.
Showhog. Okay, class. Whoever gets my next question right can go home. Who threw that?
Me? I'm going home now.
Start a sentence with I.
I is.
No. If you start a sentence with I, am should follow it. So I am.
Oh, right. I am the 9th letter of the alphabet.
Showhog, what's wrong?
Yesterday a book fell on my head.
Well, you only have yourself to blame. I'll always encourage you to follow your dreams.
But teacher, you never let us sleep in class.
What is the full form of maths?
I know that one. Mentally affected teacher harassing students.
Who is the best teacher?
I don't know.
Time is the best teacher.
But it also kills all its students.
What is the longest word in the English language?
Smile.
Why?
Because there is a mile between the first and the last letter.
How do you spell crocodile?
Krokodil.
No. That's not how you spell crocodile.
But maybe it's wrong, but you asked me how I spell.
What is the definition of a lecturer?
A lecturer is a person with bad habit of speaking when someone else sleeps.
Showhog, what happened to your homework?
I made it into a paper plane and someone hijacked it.
Showhog, why are you sleeping? You should sleep for 8 hours every day.
So that is impossible.
Why? How is it impossible?
Because school is only 6 hours a day.
Where is your essay about your dog?
Here is it, sir.
This is exactly like your brother's essay.
But sir, we had the same dog.
What happened in 1809?
The time Abraham Lincoln was born.
Okay, what happened in 1819?
Abraham Lincoln was 10 years old.
This class is so bad. Are you all dumb? All dumb people stand up. Showhog, are you dumb?
No sir, but I feel bad you are standing alone.
How old is your dad?
He is as old as I am.
How is that possible?
Because he only became a dad when I was born.
I know you're bad at spelling. That's why I told you to write down the sentence 10 times. But you only wrote it down 4 times.
Sir, looks like my counting is also bad.
Well done, Showhog. You got 100% on your exam.
Thank you, sir. I hope you will print the question paper from my uncle printing shop again.
let's say you had $2 and your mom gave you $1. How many dollars do you have?
I think $2.
Why?
Because my mom won't give me any. Teacher,
Yes,
you wouldn't punish me for something I didn't do, right?
of course not.
Well, I didn't do my homework.
Who can tell me the chemical formula for water? Showhog.
Sir, HIJKLMNO.
Why? What?
Yesterday you said water is H2O.
Anyone know any good jokes about sodium?
Nah,
Why do people make such bad chemistry jokes?
because all the good ones are gone. Teacher, I don't think I deserve 0 on this test.
I agree, but that is the lowest mark I can give you. Showhog, you copied Danika's exam paper, right?
But how did you know?
Because when she said, I don't know, you said, me neither. If I give you 2 rabbits, and 2 rabbits, and 2 rabbits, how many rabbits do you have?
7.
No. Let's say I give you 2 rabbits, and 2 rabbits, and 2 more rabbits. How many rabbits do you have?
I think 7.
Let's try something else. Let's say you have 2 apples, and 2 apples, and 2 more apples. How many apples do you have?
6.
Okay, good. Now, I give you 2 rabbits, 2 rabbits, and 2 more rabbits. How many rabbits do you have?
7.
How on earth do you get 7?
Because already I have 1 rabbit in my home.
Why did you eat your homework, Showhog?
Because I don't have a dog.
Showhog, show me where Africa is on the map.
Yes, sir.
And who discovered Africa?
I discovered it, sir.
It is clear that you didn't study for your geography test. Why?
Well, my dad said that the world is changing every day. So I'm waiting for it to settle down first.
Showhog, your friend next to you is sleeping. Please wake him up for me.
Sir, you put him to sleep, so it's your job to wake him up.
Does anyone have any questions?
Sir,
Showhog,
is Bubbles is a good name for a hamster?
I'm teaching you about Mexico, so please keep the questions to Mexico.
Sir,
Yes.
I think we need a new teacher.
Why?
Because you always ask us for the answers.
Did your parents help you with the homework?
No, sir, I got them wrong all by myself.
Here is a history question. Where was the Declaration of Independence signed?
Yes, sir,
Huh.
at the bottom.
Why can't you work in an orange juice factory?
Why, sir? I don't know.
Because you can't concentrate. 503 bricks are on a plane. 1 falls off. How many are left?
502.
How do you put an elephant in a fridge?
You can't put an elephant in a fridge.
No, just open the door, put the elephant in, and close the door. How do you put a giraffe in a fridge?
It's very easy. Open the door, put the giraffe in, and close the door.
No, open the door, take the elephant out, put the giraffe in, and close the door. The zoo is having a party, but there is 1 animal missing. Which animal is missing?
Maybe the lion?
No, the giraffe. He's still stuck in the fridge. Sally has to cross a river where the alligators live, but she made it safely across the river. How did she do it?
Shall I step on the alligator mouth?
No, all the alligators are at the party. But Sally died anyway. Why?
She drowned?
No, she got hit in the head by a flying brick. Thanks for that fake laugh. Everyone, take a seat.
Sir, where would you like me to take it?
Class, I want you to write an essay on what you would do if you had $1 million. You can start now.
A few moments later.
Time's up. Showhog, you didn't write anything.
Because if I had $1 million, that's exactly what I would do. Teacher, I don't feel well today.
Where don't you feel well?
At school.
What do you get from a chicken?
Eggs?
Good. What do you get from a cow?
Milk.
And what do you get from a pig?
Homework?
It's physically impossible for a whale to swallow a human.
In the Bible, Jonah was swallowed by a whale.
It's impossible. It didn't happen.
When I get to heaven, I will ask Jonah.
Well, what if he went to hell?
Then you can ask him.
In some words, we ignore the pronunciation of some letters. For example, in honor and in hour, we ignore the H. We call those silent letters. Showhog, can you go to the cafeteria and heat up my lunch?
Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
Showhog, why did you eat my lunch?
I thought the H was silent.
Showhog, wake up. Give me 2 pronouns.
Who? Me?
How do you feel about coming to school?
Coming part is fine. The going part is also good. But I don't like the time in between.
Give me a sentence with the words defense, defeat, and detail.
When a horse jumps over defense, defeat go before detail.
Showhog, this note from your father looks like your handwriting.
Well, yes, he borrowed my pen.